is our newly launched capsule filling machine, designed to meet high containment requirements. It has several key technologies. First, it is equipped with a startup leakage rate testing function. It greatly reduces the difficulty of containment risk evaluation. The leakage test can be performed directly during machine startup. It allows us to verify the containment performance. Secondly, the entire machine is designed with a waterproof structure. This enables full coverage cleaning, thus can be effectively controlled before opening the enclosure. This is a continuous bagging unit, allowing convenient and safe material changeover. For customers who prefer an RTP solution, it can be directly implemented. This is an effective solution. Inside, we install 2 sets for spray balls. This ensures complete cleaning coverage. In addition, a combined water and air spray gun is installed in the corner. It allows thorough cleaning of hard-to-reach areas. As you can see, this is the overall internal design of the machine. The lower platform features an elevated design. This allows cleaning water to be efficiently drained. It prevents the risk of leakage. All tooling components adopt a quick, easy disassembly design. All components are constructed using anodized aluminum.